Mimosa pudica is the touch-me-not plant's scientific name. They are known to attract the attention of not only children but adults too for their unique feature of shying away when touched, from which it gets the name. For that, these plants can be an excellent addition to your home garden as they are low maintenance and suitable to grow both indoors and outdoors.
Touch-me-not plant that can be grown throughout the year when fostered in a household. It belongs to the legume family, named Fabaceae, and is known to be short-lived. It is a tropical shrub and is native to Southern and Central America. The shy plant gets its name from how it reacts to various kinds of stimulation like motion, touch and temperature. Its leaves are like that of a fern, which is not only soft but also possesses tiny hair-like structures lining the edges, and these actually help tea. Touch-me-not plants are very low maintenance by nature, and this quality gives them the ability to be the perfect houseplant for anyone. These generally grow copiously in any kind of soil, but for best results, it is advisable to grow them in well-drained loamy soils. These creepers do not need to retain much moisture, so water-retaining muddy soils and regular water feeding are best avoided. Mimosa pudica belongs to that category of plants that need bright sunlight to grow well. A basic multipurpose fertilizer can be used at regular intervals in liquid form for optimal results. Other potassium-enriched fertilizers can also be used to improve the health of the creeper, which will then contribute towards its growth. But one has to be careful while using potassium fertilizers, as it needs to be diluted with water and reduce their strength by at least half of the original.